Hello everyone, and welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. Today, we're going to explore stunning TV shelf decor ideas that will elevate your living space and add that touch of elegance you desire. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest decor tips and inspiration. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who love interior decorating. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring more beautiful ideas to you. Now, let's get started with creating a luxurious TV shelf that will impress everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury home decor, specifically focusing on the art of decorating your TV shelf. The TV shelf is a focal point in any living room, and when styled correctly, it can elevate the entire space. In a luxury house, every detail matters, from the choice of materials to the arrangement of decor pieces. Each element should reflect sophistication and elegance. Whether you have a sleek modern TV unit or a classic wooden console, the right decor can transform it from a simple functional piece into a stunning display of style. So, stay tuned as we guide you through creating a high-end look for your TV shelf that will impress your guests and make your living space feel truly opulent. The foundation of a luxurious TV shelf decor begins with choosing the right color palette. In a luxury home, neutral tones such as whites, creams, beiges, and soft grays often serve as the perfect backdrop. These colors create a calm, sophisticated ambience and allow you to play with accent shades without overwhelming the space. For a more opulent vibe, consider adding touches of gold, brass, or metallic accents that reflect light and add a hint of glamour. When selecting decor items like vases, picture frames, or sculptures, ensure they harmonize with your overall color scheme. Monochrome arrangements with subtle variations in shades can add depth and interest without cluttering the visual flow. Additionally, integrating textures through textiles or decorative objects in complementary hues can elevate the look. Remember, in luxury decor, less is often more, so choose quality over quantity and aim for a balanced, cohesive color story that exudes elegance and serenity. This careful selection of colors sets the stage for a stunning, high-end TV shelf that feels both inviting and refined. NCE, your color palette is set. It's time to select decor pieces that speak of elegance and sophistication. High-quality materials such as marble, glass, ceramics, and metals instantly elevate the look. For a luxury TV shelf, consider incorporating statement sculptures, artistic vases, or decorative bowls that add visual interest. Books are also a fantastic way to add personality and height variation. Opt for hardcover titles with elegant spines or beautiful coffee table books related to art, fashion, or design. Incorporate decorative trays or boxes in luxe finishes to organize smaller items neatly. When choosing decor, keep in mind the principle of balance. Vary heights, shapes, and textures to create a dynamic yet harmonious display. Personal touches like framed photographs in ornate frames or collectible items can add warmth and character. Remember, the key is to curate a collection of pieces that reflect your style, while maintaining a high-end feel. The right selection of decor pieces can transform your TV shelf into a chic focal point that exudes luxury. Arranging decor items on your TV shelf is both an art and a science. Start by placing larger pieces, such as sculptures or tall vases, at the back or corners to anchor the display. Use medium-height objects like framed photos or decorative books to create layers and depth. Smaller decor pieces, such as candles or small sculptures, can be positioned in front to add detail and interest. Symmetry often works beautifully in luxury decor. Mirror items on either side of the shelf for a balanced, polished look. Alternatively, Asymmetrical arrangements can create a modern, dynamic vibe if balanced carefully. Incorporate negative space intentionally to prevent overcrowding and allow each piece to breathe. Lighting also plays a crucial role. Consider adding LED strips or spotlights to highlight your decor and add a warm glow to the shelf. Experiment with different arrangements until you find a layout that feels cohesive and elegant. Remember, the goal is to create a curated, gallery-like display that captures attention without feeling cluttered. Thank you so much for being a part of Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. Your support, views, and encouragement mean everything to us. We're passionate about sharing creative ideas and inspiring you to transform your home into a luxurious and beautiful space. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting decor tips and inspiration. Your presence motivates us to keep creating and exploring new ways to make your home stunning. Thank you once again for being a valued part of our community. Stay tuned for more beautiful ideas coming your way. Until next time, happy decorating!